Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today guys, I will share with you how to cancel Marsman subscription. So friends, if you want to cancel your subscription, follow me on this video guide. Go to your profile pictures here, log in your accounts and then look for manage subscription. This is option. Click manage subscription. After that, look for subscription cancellation here. You will see cancellation here on your subscription. You find your subscription from here and then click cancel your membership. So friends, cancel your membership, go to membership or subscription and then go to here. If you this not work method, you can go to contact us and then write your names and then write your email address. After that, write a message. For example, I want to cancel my subscription. Write your account and write your email address here. After that, click send a message. You will see your cancellation option here from this section. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this.